I tell you, sneaky cat, smash. Sneaky cat, smash.
Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hair's all fucked up from all the driving scenes we just got. But today we're in one of Garrett's cars. It's, what is it?
It is a 2016 Subaru BRZ.
I am who I'm meant to be. I am who I'm meant to be. Over and out. Over and out.
So it's 2016 BRZ. What's done to it?
It's got headers, a muffler delete, it's got a cat delete, it's got manifold spacers, a tune, a Greddy version 3 wide body kit, and then forged star wheels.
Big ass. What size are they?
I think they're 315s.
This guy has the same tire size. Actually, well, I went to 275, so technically he has a bigger tire than I do on my Hellcat now. Do you know what size the wheels are? Oh shit, seatbelt.
The back, I know the rears are, so I think they're 12 wide.
Oh my gosh, it's like my Jeep I had. So it's actually currently for sale if anyone's interested. So it's only got like 8,800 miles on it, super low miles. You don't even drive the damn thing.
Nope.
So it looks really badass with the wide body.
So I could see how you react, how you react to me. So much differently. I am different.
You had one on before, right? And then you had to get it redone.
Yeah, it got too hot in our barn because it was a knockoff kit and it cracked,
So note to yourself, kids, don't buy the knockoff kit. Go with the expensive Greddy right off the bat.
Yeah, don't do it.
What was the other kit you were looking at? Like the Rocket Bunny, right?
Yeah.
They're kind of similar.
Yeah.
So the Rocket Bunny and then the Greddy G-Ready, however you want to say it. Those are like the two famous kits for these cars. But it looks really badass. The only thing it needs now is a lowering kit, but now he wants to sell it because he switched to V8 American Muscle.
Yep.
How long have you had the car?
This car I've had it for 2 years.
It's had it for 2 years. Damn, I didn't think you had that one. Oh shit. So it's pretty nice actually. So let's hear what this beast sounds like. It's ridiculously loud, and it does come with a free exhaust leak too. We'll get that fixed, don't worry.
Yep.
Holy shit.
I've already got the gaskets.
We've got the gaskets, we're good. Anything else notable about the car? Do you have any funny stories that go along with the car?
I don't know if it's appropriate for YouTube, but this is a badass car.
This car will get you things in life that you didn't get before.
I'm not all of back, I see my fortune. When you react to me, we are reacting. So much differently.
So hopefully you guys enjoyed this short video of Garrett's BRZ. We're gonna do another video on his other car, but this car is currently for sale. If you want to, what's your Instagram?
Is Geezy_126.
That's right. I always want to say Jeezy, but it's Geezy. So GEEZY_126. DM him if you're interested in the car. Do you want to say the price on here? Or you want them to just DM you about it?
They can DM me for
Just DM him if you want to know the price and all the rest of the specs. But it's a really clean car. It was painted all together. You got it all repainted, right? When you did it? Yeah. It was an expensive ass paint job. I'm not going to say how much it was, but he told me one time and I almost had a heart attack, but I'm too young for that. But it was an expensive ass paint job. It's a really clean car. The interior is in like mint freaking condition. What's the switch for? Is that the nitrous?
That's for an amp for soaks.
Bullshit, that's for the nitrous. Car comes with nitrous. If you don't know how to use it, that's your own fault. So make sure you follow him on Instagram and DM him if you're interested in the car. And make sure you guys always comment, like, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at VanB39. We'll see you guys on the next one. a young child in the middle of the street. Shall we run him over? This thing is so obnoxiously loud! Put your seatbelt on, woman! We got a different driver now. Ha!